Take a look at how you can actually withdraw money from Niki Live. So here we go. And when you just open Niki Live, the active tab is the live tab, the one sitting in the bottom left corner. So activate the profile tab, the one which is in the bottom right corner. Click it. Now here is where people make mistakes. Instead of clicking the beans, they click exchange. Don't click exchange, otherwise you will change all the beans into coins. Click the beans. Come on. Okay, so now click the arrow which is at the far end of 301909 beans. Okay, now click withdraw. Don't click exchange, click withdraw. Okay, so what I have is $30. Let's say withdraw beans withdraw amount. We are punching in $30. So after punching in 30, I now click withdraw. Successful operation. Boom, and check out. The money has even changed. It has dropped to 0.19. So this is, yeah, this is on Sunday. Mostly we withdraw on Mondays. On Thursday, that's when money will actually reflect. That's when money will reflect in my yellow card. So that's how we do it, baby.